Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY INZONE H9 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily download its software for your PC. At first we have to enter our web browser and then search for SONY INZONE Hub and then download. Here as you can see INZONE Hub we have to enter this website, and here as you can see we have download button, and here as you can see we have applicable models, and as you can see our headphones are over here. We have to hit download button, and now we have to run this executable file, and after that as you can see, welcome to the install shield wizard for INZONE Hub. We have to hit next button, and here we have to click I accept the terms in the license agreement, and next button again. Here as you can see we have installed INZONE Hub 2, and here we can modify this folder, direct folder, and as you can see we can create a desktop shortcut. Next, and install. Now we have to wait a moment. It may take a while, so don't worry. It depends on your how fast your drive is. Here as you can see we have install completed, and we have to click finish. Here as you can see we have to restart our system for the configuration, and of course we have to hit yes, but for my recording I have to hit no, and I will restart it later. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!